Guys, you know what's really funny? If you go like this.
And peel it.
Did it hit you? Yes. I gotta get the squirt. Okay, let me reword that. You must get the grape to propel and shoot us out. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna stop talking now. This is a very inappropriate weekend. And why does it sound like an apple?
Looks like you're trying to kiss her.
My teeth. That was a funny noise. Did you hear that? Let's smell this. Oh.
That's how Savannah was eating them last night. Watch.
Yeah. Gotta try this again. Maybe little ones make different noises. Yep. That one was gushy. I just wiped it on my face. Okay. Oh, it's quiet. I need a big one. They make better noises. Oh! Find it again! Why won't it make noise? Maybe my lips need to be dry for it to work. Possibly. No? Mm-mm. Maybe you just need your cheeks flopsy. Maybe your lips should be wet. This video is all sorts of exciting. Okay, they're real spitty now. Yep, that's a trick. That's really gross. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that one. It's tiny. It's tiny. Before it was loud. I think it matters the shape and size of these things. That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. Decently. Yeah. That's really big. It's really big. I bet it's gonna be good. I bet it's gonna be really good. That one was really good. Yeah! Do you think it matters if the smaller side is last or the smaller side is first? Big one for you. Should try different sides. Oh, look, this is long. It's not working. Ooh, that was good. green, like unripe green.
So what?
There's a grape skin going like this in my throat. I think the mediums work best for me.
Okay. How about a baby one?
The medium ones work the best. Savannah likes the big ones.
We used to kiss boys when we have grapes.
What?
We used to kiss boys when we have grapes.
Right?